How to find saved Wi-Fi passwords on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. You can view all your known Wi-Fi networks over here. Tap on the icon on the right side of any network. You can view and edit the network information from here. Then, tap on Password to view it. Following these steps, you can easily find saved Wi-Fi passwords on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.